Okay, I'm off the highway. That's a good thing. But look at that fucking snow. Dude, this is like serious shit. We're driving an economy car here too. Holy, thank God for traction control. This thing is digging its way here through the snow. Thank the Lord. Alright, let me make a turn here. What the hell is it? Alright, it's over there somewhere. Let's see if we can make it down here. Whee! Oh yeah, not even plowed very well. Alright, keep digging. Okay. Gonna be pulling up my Jetta soon. I'm sure she's freaking buried like an igloo. Exit ramp. I'm gonna keep rolling because I want to stop. Let's see if we can get in the driveway. They didn't plow this. Alright, we're in. Now let's see if I can get it parked. The Jetta's not that bad. The wind blew it off a lot. Alright, put you down for a minute. Look at this snow. You can see. I mean, look at this. It's like being on Iraq with sand blowing in your fucking head. I wish you could see this better. Well, we're due for 20 inches, so we'll see what happens here, tubes. Look at that snow above my hood. I'm gonna back this thing up, see if I can get my jet out.